Okay, now that we've got the cube drawn, we're going to turn that cube into a dice. And we're going to do that by adding dots to the different faces of the dice. First, we'll add one dot to the very centre of this top surface, and we'll use the facilities within Inventor to make that as easy as possible. So the first thing we have to do is click on Create a 2D sketch, and then this is the surface that we want to draw on, so we click on that surface. The block is rotated so that we have a flat plane to work on. Obviously the dot is simply going to be a circle drawn exactly in the centre of that box. So if I click on the circle tool, and if I click, remember we located the middles before when we're setting up the centre. If I locate the middle of that line and locate the middle of this line, if I draw out, those two middles will send up construction lines to show me when I'm exactly in the centre. Click and draw out, and click again to draw the circle. Now we will use the dimension tool. Click on the edge of that circle, drag out, and make the circle 3 millimeters in diameter. And we have completed the 2D part of this model. Click on Finish Sketch, and once again we're going to use the Extrude tool to turn that dot into a little hole in the top of the dice. So let's click on Extrude, and you'll notice that when we look at Extrude there are some different icons here. The one we're interested in is this middle one, which is Cut. So if we select Cut, and we want the depth of the hole to be 1.5 millimeters, we change 1.5 there. So we've changed to Cut, we've changed that distance to 1.5. If we click on that, you can see we've now got a hole in the top of the surface, and it's going in the right direction. The arrow's pointing down. So we can say OK, and that's got us our hole in the top of the dice. Now save your work.